Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add Ads.TXT in Squarespace. So first up, open your Squarespace website editor, and here on the left sidebar, go and click on Pages. And then from here, go to Not Link option, and then click on the plus icon to add a page. Then from here, select Blank Page. And then we can name this as Ads.TXT, for example. And then just have to select this page. And then once you're here on this page, you just need to click on the edit button right there at the top left. So here, once you click on the edit button right here, and then an option shows up or a button shows up here. So click on Add Section and click on Add a Blank Section. Now once the section is added, so just click on the Add Block button right there at the top left, and then select on Text. So from here, for example, I'm going to type my channel name, which is Quick How To's. And once done, highlight the text, select on the link icon, click on the drop down menu, change the URL to file. Click on the upload icon right here, then upload the ads.txt file from your computer. So select on it. And once done, as you can see, it is automatically checked. And then click on the save button at the top left, click on exit. Now once you've done, go back to the home page or home section, and then select on settings at the bottom. Now from here, you want to go and select on developer tools. Now select on URL mappings. Now here on URL mappings, you need to input or enter this code. So you can see it /ads, that text, then the arrow, then /a/add.txt 301. And once you've done this one, just click on the save button at the top right hand corner. So here, as you can see, once it's finished, if you're going to click on the URL link, you'll be directly go to Ads.TXT and just have to save it to your computer. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next video.